Mini gap cleaning brush. Brush for cleaning multipurpose. Crevice cleaning. Corner cleaning brush. Used for home, toilet, bathroom, kitchen, tiles, windows, slots. The mini gap cleaning brush thin can go deep into cracks and clean. Small gap is no longer difficult. Hard bristile gap cleaning brush. Strong and flexible and durable brush.
Mini rice cooker, small multifunctional home dormitory, instant noodles cooking pot, mini electric cooker, non-stick cooker. Extra cleaning for sponge, strong water absorption that soak the soap and water very easily. Our makeup removal sponge pads are reusable and personal use, cleaning and exploding with irritation or harsh chemical ador. Fruit core and bitter remover. This product is very good tool to remove the fruit core. It can very easily effort to remove the red date core. Suitable for dates, cherry, pear. Salt control seasoning bottle, airtight cleaner glass with press button refillable. The spices grinder fits your hands perfectly and it has a 3/4 cup capacity to hold your spices without the need to constantly refill. Walnut wooden rocking balance board, strength leg muscles, improve balancing rocking exercise. Melon cell opener, convenient for user to use light feedback, smooth use all day.